Hope my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, in yesterday's class, we have discussed about what is correlation and its types. There are mainly two types. One is cross correlation and autocorrelation. And we have seen the relation between correlation and convolution. So today we will solve some examples on this correlation part using convolution. So let me share my screen to you.
सर बॅकग्राऊंडचा आवाज जास्त येतो.
बॅकग्राऊंडचा आवाज जास्त येतो.
हा सर तुमचा माईक केला.
एकच मिनिट. हेलो
हा सर नाव इट्स ओके.
हेलो आ रहा है आवाज अभी.
हा सर.
हेलो am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me start with my screen. Okay. So let us take the example. Just write down the example. Yesterday's example, we will solve it once again because most of you have not understood that. Determine the cross correlation of the following sequences. That is, the sequence we know that first one is x of n is equals to, we have a sequence that is 2 So what is the example I have given yesterday? See, these people are like never follow the things properly. So the question is, it is 2 comma minus 1 comma 3 comma 7 comma 1 comma 2 minus 3 is the first question, the first sequence. The second one is y of n is equals to, y of n is equals to, we have it is 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 4 1 minus 2 5. Okay, here here is the arrow, means which is indicating the value at 0th point. Okay, now let us solve it, this question. Let me write its solution. Solution is, so how we are solving this? We know the formula, that is formula for correlation is R of n is equals to, we are writing it is x of n is convoluted with y of minus n. So what does it indicate here? We are convolving the two sequences with the second sequence folded one. So that is, hope my voice is audible properly.
Yes, sir.
That is x of n convoluted with y of n, y of minus n. So we know x of n from the given question. Now we want y of n, y of minus n we want. So y of minus n, what I can write? I can write y of minus n is equals to, how do we write? Can anyone tell me what is y of minus 1 here? Minus n. Who will tell me? How do we write the y of minus n? So we need to fold the given sequence. So that means here we will write this 4 will be the center point, which will remain as it is because we are folding the sequence with respect to 0. Then it is 5 minus, this is minus, na, this is minus 2. Minus 2, comma 1. Then again we are writing it is like comma minus 2, 2, minus 1, 1. Right? So this is what the sequence which we have written. Understood how I have written y of minus n? This is our y of minus n. Any doubt here? Anybody has question here like about how to write y of minus n? Hello? Hope you are understanding this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me, we have to use a tabular form method here. Tabular form method of calculating, tabular form method of calculating the convolution. And everyone knows that what is tabular form here. So let me write it once again, the whole thing. So let me write it once again so that we can understand clearly how to perform this with the tabular form. Now here I am just writing the tabular form function. So on this side we are writing x of n is we are writing on the top side like x of n. We are writing this way, and y of minus n I am writing this way again. Okay. So x of n, what is our x of n here? X of n is, let me write x of n with this different color, right? 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. What is x of n? Can anyone tell me? No, x of n is different ना? क्या है आपका x of n? कोई बता सकते हैं यहाँ पे?
2 minus 1 3 7 1 2 minus 3.
Yes, it is 2 comma minus 1
Minus 1
comma
3
3
7
comma 7 comma
1
1
2
comma 2
minus
comma
3.
minus 3. Right. So this is what the values of x of n I have written here. Then this way, like the same thing we need to write for y of n. Y of n I'm just writing it is 5. Let me take the different color. Then we are going to write the further values. तो बाकी वैल्यू क्या है आपने? We are going to write it here. The further values. Then 4, then minus 2, then 2, minus 1, and at the end we have it is 1, right? Now everyone knows like how to solve this. So here like I'm just multiplying this 5, this like row we are multiplying with the column numbers, that is like x of n is multiplied with y of n minus n. So it is like 5 into 2 10, 5 into 2 10 we are writing. Then after that this is 10, this is minus 5, this is 15, then it is 7 5s are 35, then 5, then 10, and then minus 15. Okay, so this is the first point. Then next again we will write like minus 4, minus into minus plus, it is 2, minus 6. Both कम लोगों ने उस दिन एग्जांपल सॉल्व किए थे, like you start doing parallelly. So it's minus 14, then 1 into minus 2 it is minus 2, then 2 into minus 2 it is minus 4, then again minus 3 into minus 2, so it is 6. Okay, then next 1 into 2 it is 2, minus 1 3 7 1
2
2 minus 3. ठीक है, उसके बाद then next
8
4 into 2 8,
minus 4
minus 4 12, then
28
28, उसके बाद 4
8
8
minus
minus 12. Okay, then
minus
we
4
have minus 4, then
2
minus minus it is 2, minus
minus
6, then
minus
minus 14,
minus 2
then minus 2, then
4
minus 4 or
Six.
plus 6. Okay, then what we
4
have next? 4
19
minus 2, then 6, then 14, then 2, then 4, then again minus 6. Okay, and next is again we have like what we have minus 2, then
1
minus into minus plus it is 1, so minus
minus
3, and again
minus
minus 7, इसके
1
बाद minus 1, इसके बाद
minus
minus 2, then again 3, right? And lastly we have it is 2 minus 1 3 7, then again 1 2 and minus 3. Hope everyone have understood this.
yes, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, स्टुडंट मेसेज आला सर ते जॉईन करायला मीटिंग वेटिंग रूम मध्ये
बसू दे की त्यांना, आता काय काळजीच नाही तर काय करायचं. अननेसेसरी दे आर डिस्टर्बिंग. Okay, now what is next part? पुढचं काय प्रोसेस आपलं? So here we have to make the combination now, right? So ये पहला combination हुआ, this is your second combination, then this is your third. थोड़ा देखो carefully यहाँ पे, like the number should not miss. यहाँ पे आएगा. So then this will be, this way it will go. Then कळतं का हे कॉम्बिनेशन कसं करतोय मी?
हा सर
कुणाला काय अडचण इथं? Anyone has problem, you please ask me, because this is very important thing you need to understand. That's why today I have started with this sketch pen and all like writing. Yesterday even I am not satisfied with the things, right? Now पुढचा काय पार्ट आहे आपला आता? What is next?
सम करायचं ते
You just add on the numbers. ठीक है, तो अभी यहाँ पे मुझे जगह नहीं है. I will write it vertically. Let's see. So first is, what is the first answer? कोई बताएंगे
10.
मुझे?
10.
First is 10. Okay. Then what next?
Minus 9.
Minus 9. Okay. Then
19.
पुढचं सांगू शकता मला? 19. Just sum up all the numbers which are on their same line. Right. The next
36.
36. The next others also can try. It's not like only one or two members are telling and others are just simply sitting idle. And everyone has to solve in your notebook.
Minus 14 last.
Minus 14. Okay.
33,
33.
0,
Then 0.
7,
Then 7.
13,
After that it is 13.
minus 18,
Minus 18.
16,
Okay. Now shall I rub this part so that I can write it complete answer? यहाँ पे
Yes,
किसी
sir.
कोई डाउट है
Yes,
क्या अभी?
No, sir.
कोई डाउट नहीं है ना? Okay, let me write the final answer so that you can understand clearly. So what is the final answer? The final answer we are having is like R of n is equals to, we have it is, that is 10, comma minus 9, comma 19, comma 36, comma minus 14, comma 33, comma 0, comma 7, comma 13. What is next? 13 के बाद minus 18.
minus 18,
Then we
16,
have 16. Then
minus 7,
minus 7. Then
5,
5
minus 3.
minus 3. Okay, and 0 is at this location. So this is the way how we have calculated the cross correlation of given two sequences. This is like we are calling it as cross correlation of two sequences. Right? Any doubt here?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt? Any question from anybody's?
No, sir.
Okay, let's go for next question. Let us understand the next example. Note down the question. Note down the question. Determine. Note down the question. Determine autocorrelation of. Determine autocorrelation. Determine autocorrelation. Autocorrelation of the following sequences. Determine autocorrelation of the following sequences. Autocorrelation of the following sequences. First one is x of n is equals to, we have it is 1, 2, 1, 1. And second one is y of n is equals to, we have it is 1, 1, 2, 1. Determine the autocorrelation sequence of the following signals. That is, first one is x of n equals to 1, 2, 1, 1. Y of n equals to 1, 1, 2, 1. Have you noted the question? Yes, anybody? Have you
Yes, sir.
noted the question? Yes. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what is autocorrelation? What is the definition of autocorrelation?
Correlation between same sequences.
Correlation between the same sequences, right? Okay. So यहाँ पे like two sequences they are given. So let us understand how to find the autocorrelation. So let me write a solution here. So we will like take the first part. Let me write the solution for this. Solution for the first question. Right. So the question given is x of n is equals to, question given is x of n is equals to, we have it is, let me write it once again, 1, 2, 1, 1. If arrow is not mentioned here, then what does it indicate? So where is the starting point?
From 1.
1.
Means if arrow is not there, so by default the 0 will be from the starting one. If somewhere it is arrow is mentioned, then you need to understand that that is the starting point, right? That is zeroth location. So यहाँ पे अगर arrow दिया नहीं है, so by default we will take the zeroth location at this point. Okay. Now, so what will be the formula for autocorrelation? Can anyone tell me? Like R of, this is like R xx of n, where you like R xx of n, which will be equals to, what is the formula? R xx of n is equals to x of n convoluted with x of minus n. Hope you are understanding this, because autocorrelation is a correlation of function itself, we can call it is, right? So that means x of n is convoluted with x of n. So the formula for x of n is, or the formula for autocorrelation is, Rxx of n equals to x of n convoluted with x of minus n. Have you understood this? Yes. Now, what is x of minus n here? X of n we know already. What is x of minus n? X of minus n.
1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, 2, 1.
This is 1, 1. Right? Right? कैसा लिखते हैं आप? 1, 1, 2, 1 it is.
1.
Right? 1, 1, 2, 1. तो यहाँ पे आपका like this is how we are writing it is
1, 2,
as
1.
the arrow. बराबर? तो यहाँ पे पहला पॉइंट पे आपका एरो था, तो अगर आप इसको फोल्ड करेंगे, so we'll get like this way, 1, 2, 1, 1. So that means 1, 1, 2, 1 will be there. Means this is 1, this is minus, this is 0, this is minus 1, and this is minus 2, and this is minus 3. Hope you understood this. Anybody has doubt here?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
No.
You have a doubt or clear it is?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, right. Now follow the same procedure of a tabular column, then you just solve it. So with the tabular column, how I will write this is, so this I will write it as, with the tabular column, you just solve it in your notebook and tell me the answer. So यहाँ पे, so this is we are writing 1, 2, 1, 1, then again it is 1, 1, 2, 1. So here is the arrow at this point, and here is the arrow at this point. Now you just perform the multiplication. So it is again the same process we are going to do, 1, 2, 1, 1. The next is again 1, 2, 1, 1. The next is 2, 4, 2, 2. Then again we will have it is 1, 2, 1, 1. So then again, just club the sequences. So this will be like a clubbing part. So what is the answer? Answer बताइए मुझे कोई. So Rx of n.
1,
1,
1, 3,
Hmm?
1,
So it
3,
is
5.
1, 3,
3,
7,
5,
5,
7,
7,
5.
5, 3, 1.
5, 3, 1. आ गया सभी का आंसर.
Yes,
और
sir.
यहाँ पे एरो कहाँ पे आएगा अभी?
7.
पहला सीक्वेंस का 0 है और दूसरा सीक्वेंस पहले 3 सैंपल्स है. सो आफ्टर 3 सैंपल्स वी विल हैव एरो. राइट. यहाँ पे और एक चीज आपको याद रखना है. वन मोर थिंग यू नीड टू रिमेम्बर हियर. सो व्हाट शुड बी द लेंथ ऑफ द आउटपुट सीक्वेंस? So what should be the length of the output sequence? The formula we know is like n equals to, मैंने आपको बताया था पहले ही, linear convolution का length of the output sequence कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? Anybody? How do we calculate the length of the output sequence for linear convolution? Okay, so here n
Length
equals
of
to
x
L.
of n plus x of minus n minus 1.
Okay, so that means here L plus m minus 1 we are writing. Here L is the length of the first sequence, that is we are having x of n, and m is length of the second sequence, that is x of minus n minus 1. तो कितना है यहाँ पे लेंथ कितना है पहला सीक्वेंस का? What is the length of first sequence?
4.
4 plus length of second sequence is how much?
4.
4 minus 1. So this will be equals to कितना आया? 7.
7.
So in the output sequence you should have a 7 samples. तो आपने 7 samples present है यहाँ पे output sequence में.
हाँ सर.
So this is the way how we need to calculate length of the output sequence. अगर यहाँ पे आपको samples कम आ रहे, if you are getting the less samples at the output part, according to this formula, if you are not getting the answer, then you need to assume that yes, there is something wrong we are done with the multiplication part, right? Can you take care of this part?
Yes sir.
Okay, solve the second question now and tell me the answer. Solve the second question and tell me the answer. Or let me write the second question here. You just solve it and I'm just waiting for the answer from your side.
Sir, same answer.
Same answer you are getting, right? तो conclusion क्या है आपका यहाँ पे? What is the conclusion we will come out of these two example? Here, like the second one, we are writing it as y of n is equals to, we have it is, the question is 1, 1, 2, 1, right? So, and it's, we are writing it is r y of n is equals to, we have it is y of n convoluted with y of minus n. The answer is how much we are getting? We are getting it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, 1. So here is the arrow part again. कितने लोगों का आया आंसर ये? How many of you have got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, only 2
Got it,
members.
sir. Got it sir.
Still how many are there? Now the conclusion out of these two questions is, suppose if we have a 2 sequence, the sequence 1 is like 1 2 1 1, and the sequence 2 is a folded sequence, then if you take autocorrelation of both the sequences separately, you will get the answer same. So that means it is indicating that the autocorrelation is satisfying a commutative property. You getting my point? Here autocorrelation is satisfying the commutative property, whereas cross correlation does not satisfy the commutative property. While discussing about the properties of this autocorrelation and cross correlation, we will understand much on this part again. But with this example, I wanted to conclude that here, if you take a cross autocorrelation of two sequences, that is like one is having like 1 2 1 1, and the other one is its folded versions like 1 1 2 1, and if you calculate separately autocorrelation of these two sequences, we'll get the same answer. So that is the conclusion out of this. Understood? Any doubt here?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, let's take the next question.
सर
Yes.
वैष्णवी देशमुख वेटिंग रूम मध्ये ती डिस्कनेक्ट झाली होती.
Okay. Let us take the next question. Just note down the next question. Find cross correlation of two finite length sequences. Find cross correlation of two finite length sequences. Find cross correlation of two finite length sequences. First one is x of n is equals to 1 minus 1 1 2 and h of n is equals to we have it is 1 2 1 minus 1. Can you do this example? This
Yes,
was
sir.
asked in one of the examination. This question has been asked in one of the examination for 4 marks. You just solve it and tell me the answer. Please read the question carefully. Find cross correlation of two finite length sequences. Instead of cross correlation, if you have performed auto correlation, then you will get 0 mark.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's wait for some time. Another 1 minute I will wait. Let others will tell me the answer. We are writing x of n as it is. Here I am just writing x of n as it is. 1 minus 1 1 2. Then h of minus n we want, which will be equals to what we will write h of minus 1.
Minus 1 1 2 1.
Minus 1 1 2 1. Here is the arrow. यहाँ पे इसका arrow है. Right. So then we will perform this way. Here x of n is 1 minus 1 1 and 2. Then again this is minus 1 1 2 1. So it is minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 2. Then next is 1 minus 1 1 and 2. Then 2 minus 2 2 and 4. And lastly we have it is 1 minus 1 1 and 2. So if you make the combination this way, so while making combinations you have to be very careful. Right. Now, so what is the answer?
Minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 2.
I think Vaishnavi, your voice is disconnecting. Vaishnavi, or who is that speaking?
Yes, sir.
आपका वॉइस बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है बीच बीच में. You just please make sure that you are in proper network. So what is the answer?
Okay, sir.
-1.
Minus
So that is the
1,
answer as
minus 1, 2,
just a minute. Rxy is equals to, we are writing it is -1, comma 2, comma 0, comma -2, comma 3, comma 5, comma 2. Right? How many of you have got this answer?
sir, RX येणार ना?
Huh? RXH. Okay, very good.
RX
Okay,
येणार.
yes, it's a H असलं तर Hच घेऊ आपण, no problem. So it is RXH. Right? RXH of N. ठीक है. How many of you have got this answer? So where will be the arrow here? So arrow will be at what point?
-2.
It is at -2.
-2.
Right? Arrow will be at -2. Hope everyone has understood. Still
Yes, sir.
any confusion?
No, sir.
The length of the output sequence किती आहे इथं? So what will be the length of output sequence?
7.
7 यायला पाहिजे. It's like we require 7 samples to be present in the output. So we got like how many samples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 samples are present. So our answer is correct now. How many of you have got this answer? Only 3 members are talking to me. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you have any problem, please ask the questions. Simply don't attend the classes as a formality. So you are here to learn the things. कहीं पे भी आपको अगर कहीं difficulty है or if you are not understanding the example at any point, so please ask me the questions. Simply don't copy the things which I am writing on the board. Okay?
सर,
हाँ.
ऍरो कसा शो करायचा?
Means?
म्हणजे ऍरो -2 ला का घेतला का? ते मिडल ला आहे म्हणून का?
No. आता इथं like here we have 2 sequences. Let me write. So here, like first sequence we have is x of n is equals to 1 -1 1 आणि 2. आपला हा पहिला सिक्वेन्स आहे. ठीक आहे. आणि h of n काय आपला आता h of -n आम्ही घेतो सिक्वेन्स. h of -n is what? So here we have it is -1 1 2 1. Means here we have the arrow at this part for the first question and the arrow at this part for the second question. पहिला क्वेश्चन मध्ये एरोच्या आधी किती सॅम्पल आहेत? 0 आहेत. ठीक आहे. आणि दुसरा क्वेश्चन मध्ये एरोच्या आधी किती सॅम्पल आहेत?
3 सॅम्पल.
3 सॅम्पल्स आहेत. सो 0 + 3 किती झालं? 3. मग फायनलच्या आन्सर मध्ये 3 सॅम्पलच्या नंतर आपलं एरो येणार.
ओके सर. हा, येस सर.
जर तुम्हाला इथं पहिला क्वेश्चन मध्ये पण 2 सॅम्पल आहेत म्हणून समजा, सपोज तुमचा इथं एरो, इफ यू आर हॅव्हिंग एरो इन्स्टेड ऑफ दिस प्लेस, इफ यू हॅव अ एरो एट दिस लोकेशन, जर तुमचा एरो इथं असेल काय होणार? एरोच्या आधी किती सॅम्पल आहेत?
2 आहेत फर्स्ट सिक्वेन्सला.
2 samples are there and in second sequence we have 3 samples. टोटल किती झालं आता इथं? 5 सॅम्पल्सच्या नंतर आपला एरो येणार. कळालं? This is just an example I have taken.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, right. Still anybody has any question? और किसी कोई डाउट है यहाँ पे?
सर एच ऑफ -1 -n घेताना म्हणजे आदला बदल करायचं का?
अदला बदल नसतो ते. चला मी अजून एकदा तुम्हाला समजून सांगतो ते. ओके
हो सांगा सर.
ओके. आता ओके, एच ऑफ एन काय आपलं दिलेलं? व्हॉट इज अवर एच ऑफ एन? H of n is equals to, we have it is, so maybe I don't know how many of you have understood this. Okay, but still I will repeat it. H of n is equals to, it is given as काय आपलं 1 2 1 minus 1. If I want to plot this signal, how do I plot this? हा प्लॉट कसं करणार मी? एक मिनिट, थोडा इकडे इकडे घेतो, मग आपल्याला प्रॉपर अंडरस्टँड होतो. So if I want to plot this, so let me write it here. Plot का कसा करणार होता प्लॉट? We have a sample at 0. We have a sample at 0. ठीक आहे, 0 ला एक सॅम्पल आहे आपलं. दिस इज 0 1 2 आणि 3. 0 1 2 and 3. So 0, what we have? We have amplitude 1, right? At 1 we have amplitude 2. At 2 we have amplitude 1, and then at 3 we have amplitude -1. So ये -1 समझ में आया? 1 2 3. This is 1 2 1 and -1. Have understood? This is our H of n signal. आलं लक्षात?
येस सर.
आता आम्हाला H of -n प्लॉट करायचा आहे, राईट? आय वॉन्टेड टू प्लॉट H of -n. कसं प्लॉट करणार तुम्ही?
Taking mirror image.
H of -n म्हणजे कसा असतो? जस्ट मिरर इमेज. मग काय होणार? 0 ला जो व्हॅल्यू आहे, व्हॉट एव्हर इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑन 0, इट विल रिमेन सेम. ठीक आहे? And whatever is there on 1, it will come to -1. Whatever is there on 2, it will come to -2. Whatever is there on 3, it will come to -3. So at 1 we have amplitude 2, 2 runner. At 2 we have amplitude 1, so it will be 1. And at 3 we have amplitude -1. -1. Now this is our H of -1. So this is 1 2 1 आणि -1. आता सिक्वेन्स लिहिताना कसा लिहिणार तुम्ही? H of -1 कसा लिहिणार आता? बाय लुकिंग एट दिस वन. सांगू शकाल मला? Who will tell me? आता H of 1 असा आहे आपला. H of 1 is equals to, it is like 1 2 1 1. H of -n is equals to, तो इसका एरो यहाँ पे है और इसका एरो यहाँ पे आता है. सो ऐसा उल्टा लिख के दिखाता हूँ. यहाँ पे एरो आ गया, तो उल्टा अगर लिखेंगे आप 2 1 -1. आया समझ में?
येस सर.
कळा
Yes,
लगा?
sir.
Still any confusion here? अजून काय डाऊट आहे का इथं फोल्डिंग करायचं कसं म्हणून?
No, sir.
Okay, so let us take one more, like 2 examples I will give you. We just solve that. Take find cross correlation of the sequence. Next question you just note down. Cross correlation of the sequence. Find cross correlation of the sequence. First question is x of n is equals to x of n is equals to x of n equals to, we have it is, I think this I have taken already. Okay, we will take this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, and h of n is equals to, and h of n is equals to, h of n equals to, we have it is 5, 0, 6. Okay, this is first question. And take the next question. So this is for cross correlation. You have to find a cross correlation. Next, second one is, compute autocorrelation of the sequence. Autocorrelation of the sequence. Autocorrelation of the sequence. Autocorrelation of the sequence. X of n is equals to, we have it is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is first one. And second one is, we have again x of n is equals to, 2, 2, 4, 4. Right? Can you try for these examples?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Try. Till that time, I will take the attendance also.